Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 1st of April 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe it because I provide the technical analysis on major currency pairs. Okay, now let's move towards the technical analysis of the day. So we have started this month in a very good manner and I'm going to take you towards the signal report. So this is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 11230 and 112015 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on Euro USD and the market is already drawn. And those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today, I congratulate all of them because they must have taken the very good profits by taking sell positions on Euro USD. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Let me take you towards the signals report. That's the second signal report of the day. The second pair of the day. And 068248 is the bearish entry and 06770 was the target price. And you can see the entry has already broke and New Zealand USD is going down and hopefully it will go further down because it's getting the massive downward momentum. So if you have taken the sell position today, then you must have collected the profit. At next I'm going to talk about the strength that we have seen today on USDJPY. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of USDJPY. 111134 is the bullish entry and 112081 is the target price. And guys, you can see the entry is already broke and USDJPY is moving up. If we go to the 4-hour chart, then still we have a bullish candle. And if we go to the daily chart, then you can see that as per the trading system, the market is bouncing up from the oversold levels. Overall bullish signs on USDJPY till now. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD. So guys, it was into the weaker zone. I have supplied the bearish signal from 071218 and 070914 is the target price. However, you can see that the market has started to go into the downward direction. It has already break the entry and it's going down. So if you have done the profits, then if you have done scalping, then it must be you must be out of it. Otherwise you can hold the trade because still it's getting the bearish pressure. With no doubts it's going down. Okay, at next time we're going to talk about USDCHF. Let me take you towards the signal report. So basically I have supplied the bearish signal from 099539 and 099237 was the target price. And guys, basically in the first session of the day, you can say that 90% of the signal was hit. The market went down, but in the later session, the market has moved up. So we have done scalping on this pair. We have exit early from this pair. And after that, you can see the market has moved out. So overall, if you have traded my signal during the London session, then you must have collected the profit. At last, I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. Let me switch my chart to that particular pair so that we can go for the analysis. Okay, so we are here and I have supplied the bullish signal in case of Great Britain Pound JPY. The entry was 145264 and 146403 is the target price. And guys, right now you can see the market is just near to the target price and we have already gone into the upward direction on Great Britain Pound JPY. And hopefully all traders must have closed their today with profits because most of the signals hit into our direction. Okay, now let's talk about the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. You can see 3 indicators are attached on the screen. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and if it getting the rejection, you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's making the bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair. And when the candles cross the middle dotted line, then it can go further up. When it goes below the dotted line, then we can expect the downward pressure. And moreover, the price monitor is there to help you. When it gives the green signal, it means buy. When it gives the red signal, it means you need to sell the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these powerful trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype to one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.